feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.
Look at the haircut. Look at your boy with a nice car picking up girls in there. He has a haircut. See that car there? Straight and right stick. Leave your side.
Hope you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't want.
Yeah, I'm in there.
Let's have coffee right now.
Wanna be a slave, I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway is.
What is going on there? Oh, there's a stage there and there's a party going on in there. What's going on there? Wow, this looks like a trade fair or something.
If I told you today,
we should also go to trade
you
fairs.
can find a wide selection of products for just $1 or even a few cents. Would you believe?
Hello, baby.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Look, food. Suppose got food. Right? Tired, aren't you?
This one is new.
Nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no.
Oh, we're passing it again, yes! That's why the roads have been good. That's the presidential palace. Wow, look at it. Wow. Wow. This one we even oh, blue car. There it is. Wow, we're even stopping here, sir.
Look, you're right in front of it.
Right in front of it. The president. This is where they sell the cars at the bottom. Mercedes, Nissan. You see the owner of the building is they have a community here and he's the head of the community, the owner of the building. And they went to this guy, they tell him to finish his building because he's making the place look ugly. I watched the thing about it and he wouldn't finish. It has a helipad up there.
Oh, yeah.
They tell him to finish it. Why? What is taking him so long?
I agree. It does look ugly.
This is an airport resident next to airport.
Wow.
Not far from our thing. The airport is just right behind. See the antenna thing up there?
Oh, yeah.
It's the airport. Oh, Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Sally, if you have any issues, that's where you come. Ministry of Foreign Affairs and regional integration. They rub their coat of arms everywhere, man. That's the coat of arms. They have a lot of footage.
If you see you're a man, that I'm shipping you on.
That's so kind of weird.
I saw that one too. Grand Mirage. I saw that building too.
What's the green bus?
Oh, green bus is the local one. You can get in on it anywhere you go.
Really?
A commercial one.
Wow.
Not the but it's privately owned by someone. But it takes people from like this one here. This one. If you are going to other place, it takes you from here and you pay per distance. Everywhere you stop has an amount of money you have to pay. That one. You see, you see the guy hanging his head out?
Yeah.
That's his job. He's calling for anyone going for that direction where this car is.
Wow.
So you just stand here and then you just pull over.
Yeah.
You just say yes and you do like this to stop and he will stop, you get it and you pay him that amount you're going for.
Wow. What will he do? Show us what he'll do.
Like do like, but he will shout out the name. If you hear the name and that's the direction you're going,
Yeah.
you tell him yes and the car will stop.
Wow.
Just do like this. But Gambia we do like this. If you hear, if he's going to Brikama, my town,
Yeah.
that guy will shout, hey, Brikama, Brikama, Brikama. And then if you hear Brikama, but before he's coming towards you, you will hear it. So they will do it in a distance so you can hear it is coming. And then when you get to hear Brikama, you do like this and he will stop. And you get it.
Wow.
Yeah, and then you pay for your fare. So all these other towns on the way have their own fare before you reach Brikama. Or if you're going to Brikama, you pay a fare for Brikama.
Wow.
No hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Chicken, you see chicken walking down there. Chicken! How are you, chicken? There's a chicken enjoying life there. You see a lot of things in Africa. But it's a local one, you know. Thanks, Papa.
Hey.
Oh, look at the kids down there. Yeah. Christmas, they do it, yeah.
What?
They're looking for money.
Oh.
So, yes, expensive anyway. You know, money. They also there is everywhere.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, you see? So that is their stops here. They stop there. They have private this is the mall, Accra Mall, next to Accra Mall. We were at that mall there.
Yeah.
You see that busy road we crossed that day?
Yeah.
That's the Accra Mall there.
Oh, that's that building.
That's that building there. We wanted to walk around. That's the Accra Mall. Okay, I'm going to turn the line right here soon. We'll stay on it, yeah. Because if you go in this lane, they will not let you in.
Wow. Look at this guy. These plants.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find it.
You see why Africans like big cars because of the roads, yeah?
Yeah.
And the small ones are, most of them are taxis because guess what? Engine are small, they can afford petrol, yeah?
Yeah.
The roads and the people drive crazy, that's why they have four-wheel drive. But they say even you know that four wheels, the accidents with four wheel because they're like a kind of a truck, they're heavier. The accident in it is like a it's like a heavy vehicle. So if you have an accident, it's even worse than this small one. Yeah, bro, I like this level. I swear to God, I like this level.
Is this East Legon?
Yeah, I think this is the East Legon.
Oh.
Oh, that's what we want to do today when we go to Makolo. And then we go for a night. We will take you nightlife drive here to just look around nightlife if you want.
Well, tonight?
And also, Jeff's brothers are coming here for barbecue. They will go to clubbing tonight. If you want, you can go with them. But also, we can also take you around to look at the nightlife. You know, if you want. Buick. That's an American car. Buick. Ah, I mean, bro, they have nice cars here. Yeah, their houses are big. Look at this house. the house. You see how the houses go all the way in. It's massive inside. Wow, the old drive Range Rovers here. You know you are in a Range Rover.
Wow.
Oh, let's easily go. Right? Oh, man. But if I have a house here, I go 4 miles in. I go towards the car so I can turn because they have some of the gutters here open.
Yeah.
If we get in, we're messed up. Wow, but look at the Lexus and the Ford and stuff.
Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you
I think they're watching in the house over there.
You know, that's not even their house. Someone is building it, but it's so poor that they don't have a. Wow, we are late for barbecue.
Yeah. African food, right?
5:37.
That's what we look like.
What the hell?
Our car, we bounce up and down.
If you go slow, how do you man get over the road? God,
Oh, shit. I said, look at very direction.
They told you to go around.
Yeah. I think because it doesn't understand the roads.
They don't understand. No, because of the roadworks, you will directly,
Yeah.
they will reroute you.
Oh, look at those houses. I wonder if they're apartments.
Hey, some of them are apartments.
Oh.
Some of them are apartments.
You sure? They look like
Oh, it's like it's a school institute of something.
Oh, okay.
Private school. That one is being damaged. Look at the people with the food market. The grass is there.
Yeah.
This is what Ghana is getting rid of. See. Go while you carry there. Look at the security guard for that house. Hey! See the security guard, bro?
Yeah.
That will beat the shit out of you. That will beat the shit out of you. House camera. That's a private resident.
Alright.
Boss, how are you? Oh, good, good, good. Oh, wow.
Got that on camera.
You got it, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a big guy that will beat the shit out of you. I salute you. Very much. Sorry, the motorcycle behind me. This motorcycle, do you think he's gonna stop slow for me? Look, he's just gonna pass Barra and go anywhere he's gonna go.
That's why they go to bed a second.
So go.
You get a dirty look every time.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Come on, the Palm Road, god damn it. He has even better go to Gambia. But Coast Guy is better than Coast Guy.
Yeah. This is your car's better.
This one is in jungle. They even pass us, look at them down there, they don't even too far from us.
So we go so slow.
Go slow,
Are you
yeah.
alright, babe?
Huh?
That's okay.
Oh, you think I was supposed to go faster than this? Is that what you think?
No, we can take our time.
Alright, sorry, baby. I think you are excited for the Bobby.
No, it's not that. I'm just like far out. We've had 5
Okay.
cars. I can't even see him anymore.
Oh, sure, let me go a little bit faster than that. Yeah, you're alright. Actually, yeah, I could have gone faster than that. Wow, that's why. You see now I'm going a little bit faster. What's it doing right now? And here we are. Rolling it. Oh, this dude is here. Jeff is here.
Yeah, 'cause he's ready to run.
How is it? He uses place here as a free parking. Yeah, the two
I'm
parking.
gonna come up there.
You never do before, and even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go, go, go.